Hello guys, let's implement a program to find out maximum and minimum number from an array. So the program is write a program to find maximum and minimum number from an array. So for this what I will do, first of all I will declare one array with large size, say int arr of 100, and I will declare one n variable, n is number of elements inside the array. So first I will take the value of n variable from the user, and then I will take actual array from the user. So first I will ask how many elements inside array, and I will store that value into the n variable. So scanf %d comma ampersand n, and after that I will take the array elements. So for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, I is the index variable. Let me declare it here, and I will scan arr of I. So %d comma ampersand arr of I. Now this is the array which is taken from the user. So I want to find out maximum element and minimum element from that array. So let me first implement only maximum element or maximum number. Minimum will be implemented with the similar logic. So suppose I declare here variables max and min. Now how to find out the maximum element from an array? Suppose this is the array which is entered by the user. So the size of the array is 10. So if I write the indices, then this will be 0th index element, then first index element, second, third, fourth. So suppose these are the elements inside the array, and I want to find out maximum element out of these elements. Then what I will do, first of all I will take one variable which is max. So suppose this is the max variable, and in the max variable I will store the value which is 0th index element. So right now the 0th index element is 6, so I will store the value 6. That means I will take out the value from 0th index of the array, and I will store that into the max variable. So that is the first thing I will do. So for that, what will be the statement that I need to write? I need to write in my code max equals to arr of 0. So directly I am putting 0th index element inside the max variable. After that what? After that I will compare every element of the array from the first index onwards. That means from here, first index to the end of the array, every element of the array I will compare with the max value one by one. That means first I will take out this 2, which is first index element, and I will compare that with the max value. So if the element inside the array is greater than max, then I will assign that element to the max variable. So you listen carefully. If the element inside the array, that means 2, is greater than max value, is 2 greater than max value? No. So in that case no need to do anything, just I will go ahead, I will compare the next element. Otherwise, if that element becomes greater than max, then I will assign that element to the max. So let's see this process. So for 2 is not greater than 6, so anyways no need to do anything. So I will go to the next element. Since I am traversing inside the array from left to right, I will go to the next element. The next element is 10. Now is this element greater than max? Yes, 10 is greater than 6, so it is greater than max. So in that case what I will do, in that case I will assign that 10 to the max variable. That means I will send 10 inside the max. So max will become 10. After that again I will compare the next values. So next value is which one? Next value is 7. So I will compare this 7 with the max. Now is 7 greater than 10? No, it is not greater than 10, so no need to do anything. So I will go ahead. Now next element is 12. Now I will compare 12 with max element. Is 12 greater than 10? Yes, 12 is greater than 12 is greater than 10. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, I will assign that new element 12 to the max element. That means this will become 12. So this process I will repeat. 20, next element will be 20. 20 is greater than max. Yes, 20 is greater than max, so I will assign 20 to the max, so this will become 20, and here there will be 20. After that 15. 15 is greater than 20. No, it is not greater than 20, so no need to do anything. 24. 24, is it greater than 20? Yes, 24 is greater than 20, so I will simply remove that 20 and 24 will come here, so new value will be 24. After that 21, is 21 greater than 24? No, so no need to do anything. Then 18. 18 is greater than 24? No, so no need to do anything. So when you complete this process till the end of the array, the maximum value is, or the variable in the value inside the max variable is 24, which is nothing but the maximum element from that array. So this is the logic. So I need to implement this logic in my code. So for that, what will the code? I will traverse from left to right, from first index onwards till the end of the array. So for that, how will be the loop? Here I will say for first index onwards. So I will say for I equals to 1 till the end of the array. So I less than n, I plus plus. During this traversal, what I am doing, I am comparing value of the element inside the array, that means AR of I, with max value. I am writing is greater than max. That means if the element inside the array is greater than max, then what I am doing, then I am assigning that array element to the max variable. So max equals to AR of I. So after that, I will print the value. So printf, here I will write max element is %d max. So here let me write enter array elements. So now the code is complete. Let's check whether it is running. So if I run this, how many elements inside the array? Suppose 10 elements are there. Then after that, I will enter some random values. Maximum value is 234. So it is printing the maximum value from that array. Similarly, you can implement the mean. Similarly, you can print a minimum element. So what I can do, I will say minimum equals to AR of 0. So here, let me copy paste this code. Instead of max, you will say mean equals to AR of 0. Then from I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. If AR of I, here it will become less than and mean value. If AR of I is less than mean, then mean equals to AR of I. And after that, I will print mean here. So now if I run, suppose there are 10 values: 4, 23, 1, 78, 6, 56, 34, 23, then say 20, 9. Maximum element is 78 and minimum element is 1. So it has printed max there. Okay, here let me write mean. And now suppose only 5 values I am taking this time, say 12, 3, 45, 7, 9. So maximum element is 45, minimum element is 3. So this was about finding the maximum and minimum element from the array. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe.